Hi everyone, it's been a while and welcome back to the channel. Now today we're diving into QR code phishing, which is a technique that is used in modern red team engagements to essentially simulate how adversaries leverage QR codes for social engineering. Now before we jump right into the mechanics, quick reminder, since I don't want to get banned again, this video is strictly for educational purposes. With that out of the way, let's see how it works. Now on screen we have Kuba Gretzky's EvilQR repo, which is an open source proof of concept toolkit designed for QRL jacking. This tool relies on two parts. There's a custom Chrome browser extension used by the attacker to clone the live signing QR code, and then a Go-based backend server to host the phishing page. Before you build and deploy, you have to modify some hard-coded configuration parameters in the source code for security. So you'll want to change the default API underscore token, the QR code underscore ID, and your bind address inside the config.go, as well as the HTML template and the extension's background JavaScript. You can see right off the box, EvilQR is very adaptable and supports major platforms that utilize QR-based sign-ins, including Discord, WhatsApp, and Steam. And by the way, you can totally make your own fishlets. So for our demonstration today, we're going to focus on Telegram, and I'm going to show that to you right now. So you can see here the actual QR code used for Qishing. You got to keep in mind that these authentication QR codes are dynamic in nature, meaning that they cycle and change every few seconds. So because of this, you can't just print them out, let's say, on a physical poster or put them on an office billboards on a red team engagement, and instead the delivery relies essentially on digital real estate, like embedding the dynamic feed into a web page or a live screen. And then you combine that with targeted social engineering to essentially convince the victim to scan the live code. Now we can watch the execution play out. On the right you have the victim's smartphone, and on the left you have the attacker's console. So the victim opens their app and scans the clone QR code right off the monitor. And if you look at the attacker's screen on the left, right when they validate, the session token is intercepted, and now the attacker has full authenticated access to the victim Telegram session. And this is very important without needing a single password or a standard 2FA. Now remember, I honestly don't want to cross YouTube user policies again, so you only use and deploy these techniques within fully sanctioned red team environments. Once again, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more stuff coming up.